Ever wished you could build your own personalized assistant that interacts with your users through text messages or phone calls? Today, we're going to bridge the gap between intelligent conversation and real-world communication by connecting Dialogflow with Twilio. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Dialogflow console and create a new agent, naming it something relevant to your project. This agent will handle all the natural language processing. Now, build your intents. Intents are the heart of your agent, defining what the user says and how your bot responds. Add training phrases that users might say and craft appropriate responses. Next, log into your Twilio account or create one. If you haven't already, you'll need to purchase a Twilio phone number, as this number will be the bridge for communication. Now, it's time to integrate Dialogflow with Twilio. You'll need to grab your Dialogflow agent's service account credentials. This will allow Twilio to securely communicate with your agent. Then, leverage Twilio Studio, a visual interface. To build a flow, use the Studio's Run function widget to connect to your Dialogflow agent. In the function, you'll send the user's message to Dialogflow, receive the response, and then send that response back to the user via SMS or voice. Finally, test your connection by texting your Twilio number. You should see your Dialogflow agent intelligently responding to your messages. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Dialogflow with Twilio. Have fun experimenting and building your conversational application. #Dialogflow TWILIO #CHATBOT integration.